Working on this Ford, and the engine management light is on. It says service engine now, and it's in limp mode. Doesn't say much on there, but on here it gives you all these fault codes, and the only two that are kind of pending is the DPF Soot content. So what I'm going to do is, in other words, do a regeneration, a forced regen on the vehicle. But sometimes you won't allow you to do the reset, so you'll have to reset the DPF and then do the regeneration. I'll see how it goes and how it feels. Since I've got the ignition off, I will try and do a full scan and clear, just so you can see that even trying to like do the full diagnostic scan and clear, it won't erase. And even if it does, it's only temporarily for a moment, I guess, like probably 20 minutes, an hour, and then it'll kick back in. So we'll see what it reads now. As you can see, it's still searching, and on there it's come back on straight away. I've not even started the vehicle. It says engine service now, and on here it will tell us what it's come back as the DPF for sure, hence why it's saying service now. So I shall do the regeneration, force regen, and see how it goes. So if you're using the hotel machine, you go into hot function. You can also go into service, but we'll go into hot function. And on here you've got these options, and it's this one here, DPF after treatment. Let's have a look, and you've got all these options here. Some people would instantly go into this, which is fine. I mean, I will show you as well. I'll go into it. It will probably kick you back out because the soot content's quite high, which will just say it's not safe, in other words, to do the force regen. So what you'll have to do is come back out of it, reset the soot content, and then jump onto the regeneration. That's fine. It can take up to 15 minutes. Happy days. That's fine. We're happy. Okay. Yes, start the engine. So let's hold the clutch, turn it on. We're in neutral, and it needs to reach the temperature between 80 and 100. So once it's reached that, it will then start the regeneration. So we have now reached 80 degrees. If I press OK, it says do not press any of them. That's fine, and the regeneration has started. It's saying it will take approx this. So in most cases it will start, and then sometimes it'll kick you out about 5 or 3-4 minutes into it. As you can see, it started, and I've not put my foot on it. So we'll just have a look and wait for it, and if it doesn't like it, it will kick us out around here, and if it does, it will just carry on all the way to the 3000 seconds. So regeneration is still going. Nothing as in smoke wise has come out as bad, but I can smell a lot of it, which is it does smell quite bad, but like I said, no smoke. Regeneration is still going, and as I said earlier, it really depends. Sometimes I said it kicks you out here around this area, and so far it hasn't kicked us out, which tells me the soot content's quite, well, it's not that bad. In other words, yes, it is bad, it comes on there, but it's not as bad as it is where it will kick you out and say, look, the pressure in the DPF is quite bad, which will have a big impact on the engine. So on this case, on this occasion, it's fine. It's still going. We've still got quite a bit left, good 80%, 90% left. Still going. The regen is still so the regen has stopped, and as you can see, it's got a bit left. However, it's in the cooling phase now. So once it's cooled down and the temperature is quite, I wouldn't say low, but to a certain degree, and it's liking everything, it will then finish the regen and reset everything afterwards, as in like the soot content and delete the fault codes. So here it is, it's now finished, and the cooling phase is good. So it's telling us to turn the ignition off, press OK, regeneration successful, which is happy. If we press OK, it's brought us back to the home page. Also, you can, I would like to do them resets as well, just to give it complete procedure. Oh, accidentally pressed cancel there, but that's fine. Let's just try that again, because I pressed cancel instead of OK. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Complete. Switch off. That's fine. And then the next one is that one as well. I am just going to reset. Okay. Turn the ignition off in a second, it'll say. That's fine. Lovely. So it's done everything. So if I do turn the vehicle on, before the minute I turned it on, it came up with the engine management light and as well as service mode there. So they're all gone anyway. And notes come back, and it was sluggish before. So if I do, and everything's fine, then we'll go for a drive and hopefully eliminate everything. So I have done the full diagnostic scan as well. That's the engine. Nothing's come up. Everything's fine.